Hey, this is Alex with Grow How. I'm now going to repair this pipe that I cut, or that I broke. I put a fairly clean cut on it with a pipe cutter, PVC pipe cutter. One of these days I'll show you how to use that. Now I'm just going to glue on a fixture so I can put in my my elbow and my other stuff onto it. But I'm not going to do that today because we're already getting late, and I'm not going to get all that done today. So I'm going to do it on a fresh day. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to open up my. I should show you that first. Just a pipe glue. Don't get cleaner. Don't get primer. You can use primer in addition to glue, but you've got to have glue. Primer will not hold. I've seen that happen before. So get glue. I already pre-opened it. I will do an outtake for that because I couldn't get this sucker open. I had to go use my vise. But it's neither here nor there. I'm going to come over, make sure that glue is on a solid ground. I'm going to put this in. By the way, I've already cleaned off the pipe and I've cleaned this off, but there's stuff that's blown in. I'm going to wrap that around on the inside. I did too much over on that ledge there. I didn't really want to do that. I'm going to come down here. Now, I'm going to put this on with a twisting action. Okay. That twisting action makes sure that if there's a burr or something scraping away, it's got more of a chance to heal over. You can tell I'm a plant guy saying heal over, but I almost said wound over like a tree guy. And I'm going to come and I'm going to clean off as much of that bead as I can. And that's going to prevent it from breaking down the pipe as much. Now, you'll notice I put that in at kind of an angle. I could have put it straight up. I could have put it to the side. I was feeling funky, so I put it at an angle. It's not going to affect it one way or another for what I'm doing. There are projects where it might. But we'll see more of that when I get the rest of this project done. Now, since my water comes on tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a plug on this. I don't need to use this PVC tape, or Teflon tape, but I'm going to use it because I want this to slide on fairly easily, and I want it to slide off fairly easily. It's a temporary fixture. All I really need to do is just keep things from leaking tonight. But that Teflon tape will smooth this up and make a hand insertion a lot easier. Okay, that'll get me through the night. And then probably on Monday, I don't like doing heavy work like this on Sundays. On Monday, I'll be able to come in here, show you how to finish off my conversion to drip. Part 1, 2. I already did part 1, so it'll be to part 2. Anyway, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Hopefully this video showed up nicely. If not, oh well. And keep an eye for the outtakes of me trying to open that can. I'll probably get it in there eventually. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell if you want to get a notification every time I come out with a new video. Again, thank you for watching. Manana.